So every Carbon Cub EX kit starts just like this. Big wood box, 8,000 parts in it, shows up at your doorstep to be unloaded out of the trailer. So Jim had said for a couple of years that he wanted a kit program. We all kind of went, yeah, okay, that'd be really good. And then Jim called a meeting at the conference room with the senior managers. And so we were all sitting around the table and Jim was talking a little bit. He said, we're gonna have a kit program this year. And everybody there kind of looked down at the table, either contemplating the kit program or not making eye contact with him. So they didn't want to get picked. And then he said, and you're going to do it. And I looked up and sure enough, he was pointing at me. So as we talked about it, I knew that it was a huge project. We were working towards figuring out how we were going to test it, what we needed to test on it. And we knew that we were going to test the airframe to the weight of a 160 horse engine and a 90-inch propeller. Jim was working on an engine from ECI that took 44 pounds out of a 0360 engine, was still 180 horse. Awesome running engine, 9-to-1 compression. We got a prototype and started flying it, and we decided, well, with this LSA rule, a guy may want to build his own kit and register it to where it would qualify for light sport. So the kit customer could register it at 1,320 pounds on wheels, 1,430 on floats, and it would qualify for light sport. Same airplane, maximum gross weight was 1,865 pounds. So the airplane was kind of universal. When I took on this project, I wanted a high completion rate in our kit program. That was my goal. We were going to do the best possible kit support that could be done. So we've learned a lot over the last 10 years, and I truly believe we have the best kit out there right now. So the average builder will spend 800 to 1,000 hours building a Carbon Cub EX. And when you're done with your EX kit, it's going to look something like this airplane behind me, which is EX3 #1. This is the first kit built as an EX3. Every time our engineering department does a change on the line to make manufacturing better and easier, that immediately goes into the kit. You know, that's why we end up with a cutting edge airplane, always improving. Well, not only did the airplane dramatically improve, but the system in which we pull the kit parts, we consider our pull lists and our manuals a living document. They're always changing. And we do a lot of videos. If I look at something and say, that's gonna be difficult for a customer to do, then we'll do a video on it. In the last 10 years, we have seen the kit program grow and change, and it's an exciting thing for me to see. And the other thing that's exciting is to meet customers out there, all walks of life, all working on the same thing, building a kit and getting to know them personally. And that's part of what good customer support does, is know your customer. I'm really excited about the kit program. There may be something new in the next 10 years that's even going to be more exciting. So he calls me up and he's all quiet. Mitch. Yeah, Gall, how's it going? What's up? If I kill a deer, will you tell me how to cut it? Sure, I can do that. What do I do now? the weirdest kit support question I've ever gotten. So anyway, the Gall was interesting.